This is Bill, a friend from our gliding days at Leon Solent when we were both much younger. It's mid-September and we're on our way to Birdham Pool in Chichester Harbour. The Royal Clarence Marina and Birdham Pool Marina have an arrangement so we can take Zephyr IV there and she can be lifted out and have her bottom pressure washed while we wait. Chichester Harbour is a lovely place to visit, lots of dinghy races, beaches to chill out on and wildlife in abundance. But Birdham Pool Marina is only accessible for a few hours either side of high water and we have to enter via a lock and get in, be scrubbed and get out before the water goes away.
You make a mark somewhere up there. Move it straight where we got the belt. Yeah.
So that's the scrubbing done and we're on our way back to Portsmouth for the night.
Well, we've left Chichester behind. Not a lot of wind, it's 6-7 knots, something like that.
Oh, I'm just taking a photograph of me at the moment. I didn't realise that it's pointed. I thought, this is this bloke with the big head. There we go, now it's pointed at you. Sadly, what little wind there was dropped to nothing and we had to resort to the engine to get us home to Portsmouth. These new sails are great, so we're on our way for another trip to the west. The forecast for the next week is really good, so we're looking forward to some really pleasant sailing.
At last we got some wind, so we got 19 knots now. It's about 16 and 17 and we're doing 6.2, 6.3. We're just going into Newtown Creek now. This is the starting buoy of the channel. 9 feet of water, that's all at the moment. And then when we get to there, we're going to turn right. Where this boat's coming out, another one going in, that's where we're going to go. In there into Newtown Creek. Quite a few boats in there, just hoping there'll be a bit of space.
We found a spot to anchor quite close to one of the resident seals. And as the sun went down we sat in the cockpit drinking tea and watching the seabirds flying in for their supper and a place to roost. I love this harbour. Marinas are convenient, etc., but this peace and quiet is so rare in today's society.
We're in Newtown Creek. Bill's sitting ready, look, on the at the stern, waiting to steer. The engine's running, all checks have been made, and we're about to go off along the coast.
We motored from Newtown Creek nearly to Hurst Castle before a gentle northerly breeze arrived. I set the asymmetrical spinnaker and that helped us to pass the castle and sail out into the channel. It's nice and quiet below and nothing fallen off the shelves yet. The stove is gimbling nicely too. We'll be making tea on that before too long. And here we are, safely on a mooring at the Castle Cove Sailing Club. Bill is especially pleased to be here, as he was posted here for a while when he was in the Navy. Bill is navigating. He believes in belt and braces, so he's laying a course out on the chart and sorting out the chart plotter too. We've got the GoPro camera attached to the push bit, so this is fixed now, and this will give you an indication of how much hard work we have to put into all this sailing. We're well on our way now back to the Solent. You can just about see the needles over on the right hand starboard side, and the boat steering herself, or the autopilot steering it, and we're just going along for the ride. Really, it's a really enjoyable sailing experience, this is. While we drink our tea, we chat about how the trip is going, and I remark that this is exactly why I bought Zephyr IV. This has to be a perfect sail. Here we are back at Hurst Castle again, in the entrance to the Solent. Wind's dropped a bit light. It's very fluky round here, so we're able to adjust sails and taking life fairly gently at the moment. The wind's holding up and we're well on our way back to Gosport and the end of a really perfect day's sailing. This is the last part of our first year with Zephyr IV. I hope you've enjoyed sailing along with us. It's been fairly trouble-free and the good ship Zephyr IV has looked after as well. There is quite a bit of work scheduled for the winter layup and there will be videos about that which I hope you will find interesting. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and likes and shares are very welcome. If you make the effort to comment, then I'll do my best to respond. Bye bye for now.